Hello and welcome. I'm Brandon, your safety trainer, with today's lesson about good housekeeping. Before we begin, remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. Good housekeeping is a sure way to keep your workplace safe and organized. Good housekeeping is a safety as well as health issue. It keeps employees safe from slips, trips, and falls, as well as from colds, flu, and other serious diseases. This lesson will briefly discuss some advantages to good housekeeping and what you can do in your workplace to maintain a safe work environment. There are several advantages to good housekeeping. According to OSHA.gov, the U.S. Department of Labor reports that slips, trips, and falls account for approximately 15% of all accidental workplace deaths and are second only to motor vehicle accidents as a cause of worker fatalities. Good housekeeping practices can substantially reduce the underlying causes of slips, trips, and falls. For example, good housekeeping practices can reduce the risk of tripping on equipment, tools, and other items that have been left on the floor or misplaced. For example, one study published in the International Journal of Industrial Ergonomics found that incidents in a shipyard were reduced 70 to 90% once steps were taken to improve housekeeping practices conducted at the facility. Other advantages may include the following: decreased accidents when tools that are put back in their proper place instead of lying around. When items are clean, they are more likely to be as germ-free as possible, which lessens the chances for any sicknesses. Dirt and clutter can increase not only the possibility of injury to employees or customers, but also the possibility of failure of products. Productivity is increased because you know where things are and do not waste time looking for tools and/or materials.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.